Ready to ditch those glasses and see like a teenager again? Today, we're diving into Restore Your Eyesight. See like a teenager again. Let's cut to the chase and unveil the secrets to sharper vision. Here we go. 1. Eye exercises. Just like any other muscle, your eyes need a workout too. Try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It reduces eye strain and keeps your vision sharp. 2. Balanced diet. Load up on carrots, spinach, and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These foods are packed with vitamins and nutrients that support eye health. Think of them as your eye's best friends. 3. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes can blur your vision. Drink plenty of water to keep your eyes moist and comfortable. It's the simplest yet most overlooked step to better vision. 4. Proper lighting. Reading or working in dim light can strain your eyes. Ensure you have adequate lighting to reduce eye fatigue. Your eyes will thank you. 5. Regular breaks. Staring at screens for too long can wreak havoc on your eyesight. Take regular breaks to relax your eyes. Try the palm method. Rub your hands together and place them over your eyes for a few minutes. 6. Protect from UV rays. Wear sunglasses to shield your eyes from harmful UV rays. Overexposure can damage your eyes and affect your vision. Look cool and protect your peepers at the same time. 7. Avoid smoking. Smoking increases the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Quitting smoking is a win-win for your overall health and your vision. 8. Get regular eye exams. Don't skip those eye checkups. Regular exams can detect problems early and keep your vision on track. Think of it as a tune-up for your eyes. 9. Stay active. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, which benefits your eyes. So get moving and keep your body and your eyes in top shape. 10. Manage health conditions. Conditions like diabetes and hypertension can affect your eyesight. Keep them under control with proper medication and a healthy lifestyle to protect your vision. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening health advice. Let's keep our vision crystal clear together. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.